Hey there buddies, Tiger Meow is in, and today we're doing another photo session number 5 here in Singapore. But first, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my flying shots with some of my Nendoroids. Here are the toys that I bring today. So, we're gonna need some Nendoroid stands. I brought in this cute Spider-Man cos baby. I brought Captain Marvel. This is the full Captain Marvel Nendoroid. This is quite new. You can check out my full review of this Nendoroid in the link below. I brought Captain America. I also brought Thanos from Funko Pop and Doctor Strange Nendoroid from Good Smile Company. Of course, I brought my Sony camera, and we're gonna need, I know this is not enough, but we're gonna need a lot of blue tack in this video. So this is our setting for today. I'm gonna try to fly my Nendoroids against this buildings right here and these buildings right here. It's a good thing that the sky is clear, so we can shoot good photos for today. So to get a proper range of the subject against the background, I'm using this lens, 24 to 105 mm from Sony. So I'll show you how to shoot the flying photos. First, what you need to do is establish a pose so it's easier for you to set it up later. So I'm gonna use this stand. Sometimes you need to shoot alone, so what I would usually do is put the stand in this manner so I can hold the figure like this and take the shots. So yeah, let me show you. I'll take this photo of Captain Marvel. Make sure that the figure is secured. You don't want to drop it. For the post-processing, I use Photoshop to remove the stick and the hand. I'm gonna show you how to do that in my future video. I think I have nailed a few shots of this Captain Marvel. I'm gonna do shots of Spider-Man. So this Spider-Man is a cos baby Spider-Man. It's actually have a magnetic feature. Since I'm trying to do flying shots, I'm gonna use the same technique. So yeah, I'm gonna use the same technique now with the cos baby Spider-Man. You can also use a stick, a wire, or both to do these flying shots. Here's another tip. It's tiring and a lot of trial and error to get the right shot and the right angle. So just be patient and keep shooting. It's really quite a challenge when you shoot alone. So if you have friends, maybe you can bring them along and share your toy photography experience with them. Now let's go to another location. Come. Now we're gonna go to find some other location where we can take more toy photographs. The good thing is today it's a public holiday, so there's actually no office. So I found this cool mini park in this cluster of buildings, and look at it. We're gonna take some photos of my Nendoroids and maybe Thanos in this park. So this is a recreation of the shot from Avengers Endgame with Thanos, Funko Pop, and Nendoroid Captain Marvel. Now let's take a photo of one of my favorite Nendoroids, Nendoroid Captain America. Now let's take photos of this Thanos. I hope it won't drop into the water, but let's. And here's my last tip for this session. Always be prepared. Don't be like me. I forgot my batteries for this toy photo session. So a day before, make sure you prepare all your gadgets and gears. So we're ending this toy photo session. I hope you got a few tricks or two to improve your toy photography. And until next time, meow! Don't forget to like my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.